So before we start this video, I want to give a shout out to Marblestone for supporting me and keep up with my videos. So shout out to Marblestone and let's get started. So we need a notepad for this, and you can search for notepad in the start menu, and yeah, let's type in the codes. So guys, I have made the file and it works. So let's open it and type in subscribe at the password menu. So SUBSCRIBE to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, and you can see menu opened. Let's type in help for the list of commands. Loading. So Wi-Fi hack. Hacks to Wi-Fi connected to your computer. List of Wi-Fi shows the list of Wi-Fi which is or had been connected to your computer. Date tells the date. Time tells the time. Mad Libs, the AI will play Mad Libs with you. So let's click enter, and yeah, let's type in date. Today is Tuesday, July 7, 2020. So time is 4 o'clock, I guess. Yeah. Now let's type in Wi-Fi hack. Okay, and you can give it the name of the Wi-Fi you want to hack. So let's type in back and see which Wi-Fi we are connected to. So list of Wi-Fi, and you can see my Wi-Fi is Hella. That thing Hella. You can see that one. And let's type in Wi-Fi hack and Hella, and wait. And in security settings, you can see key content. Right hand side, you can see the shut up boy. That's my password. And yeah, Mad Libs. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, we have to type in back first and type in Mad Libs. So noun, Lucky Isaac. Okay, and viewer, viewer, and baseball. Okay, and my name is Lucky Isaac and my friend is viewer. We are playing baseball. So that's it, guys. You can have the file and you can make one if you wanted to. So I hope this helped you, and I will see all of you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace.